Baby, don't cry. Screaming, the baby cries. In a cradle on the floor the baby lies. Mammy sings him nice lullabies. But the baby still has tears in his. Hearing the cry, Daddy wakes up and opens the door. Smiling, he says, "Hey little champ, your cry is louder than my snore." Mammy gets him a cute soft toy, hands him a teddy bear to enjoy. But the baby doesn't cease to cry, be it daddy, be it teddy or a nice lullaby. Then mommy takes a look at baby's nappy and says, "It's wee wee, now I know how to make you happy. Let's change your nappy. Oh, don't be shy. Dry and soft, the new nappy won't make happy." Once mommy is done with the chore, baby smiles, sleeps, and cries no more.